Hi guys, and welcome to 201 Salisbury Street, Christchurch CBD. Now Salisbury Street's got a lot of new complexes on it, got a lot of new projects, it's got hotels on it. It's a pretty solid location in Christchurch CBD. So we're talking about 14 one-bedroom townhouses off the plan, expected to be finished in Q1, maybe Q2 of next year. Now the sexy side of this one is they're $420 to $425 each in a median price point location of $585. So that's over $150,000 cheaper than the median for the location. The complex is already 50% sold down, so 7 of them or 8 of them have gone already. But more importantly, from all of the above, is these are cash flow positive between $4,000 and $6,000 per annum because of that entry price point being so low. This location is a very seasoned area from a rental point of view. And also from a capital growth point of view. We've actually had properties that have gone up by $100,000 post-earthquake in this location on the street. So we're very, very confident that paying $420 to $425 for these off the plan, with forecast growth in Christchurch to be coming anytime soon, we see this as a very, very safe long-term investment, and it's cash flow positive from day one. And typically the rents will even be higher on completion because property managers are basing on rents today, and by the time this is finished there will be more people in the CBD. So check out 201 Salisbury Street, Christchurch. There's more information on our website, so scroll below and check it out.